Meet, chat and voice. How Google Workspace is going to change the way we work. Meet, chat, and voice are often the first contact that users have with a service. And because of this, it can pose certain problems for companies who use Meet, chat and voice as their primary form of customer service. Google has been addressing these issues in recent updates to their platform by offering various new features. Machine learning to the rescue. The biggest problem that Google has to deal with is that many times users don't immediately respond to shared services in message format. Was this being a potential problem for companies? Google came out with a feature in April 2016 that integrated machine learning and AI using chatbots into Hangouts. Through this feature, users are able to pick from common questions their company poses, and more importantly answer those questions through the bot without revealing your company information. With this, what is Google Workspace? Google Workspace is an office tool that is available to Chrome web browser users. It allows people in the same office to collaborate and work on projects together without having to meet up in person or send emails back and forth. The tool lets a user sign into their account using their Google, Gmail, or G Suite account and have people in other countries see who they are and then choose to join them or not. Another advantage of meeting through Workspace is that there's no need for looking for a vacant spot at a coffee shop when you want to grab a chat with someone about what you're working on today. The technology works by gathering information publicly available through the user's account on their email, such as the URL of a device they're using, if any, iPad, desktop or laptop computer, the IP address associated with this device and its URL location and date/timestamp of an activity. The info does include other info about the device, such as for example or make and model or operating system type, which is what makes it usable as a way to know someone is near a. How is Google Workspace going to change the way we work? Google has a solution for the frustrating time people spend communicating and collaborating both remotely and in person. Their new project, Google's lightweight chat platform, is so simple and easy to use that anyone can do it. Start by entering your work email into the invite box and you will be given a link to start chatting instantly with colleagues or friends who have set up the same tool on their phone or computer. It is designed to eliminate confusing interfaces, sending emails, or trying to coordinate events remotely when people are in different offices or even countries. But where Google has done a fantastic job of simplifying the software is by building it collaboratively. This means that anyone can help with development and you don't have to worry about your team being driven off by your concepts or values. They are simply modifying your work as it is being done at any time. Developed in tandem with HR professionals around the world, this specific course explores exactly how Google user interface designers and programmers harness the power of search giants' computational processes to create freely. Fair questions to have when deciding what AIV system to use. When deciding what AIV system to use, contact your team about the past experiences of other teams that have used chat applications. You can also ask them about who currently uses voice and talk with others from your organization or across organizations. When deciding what AIV system to use, contact your team about the past experiences of other teams that have used chat applications. You can also ask them about who currently uses voice and talk with others from your organization or across organizations. Select a vendor that your team will use long-term. X, IBM's AmaTime. Select a vendor that your team will use long-term. X, IBM's AmaTime. Application integration roadmap involves many teams collaborating on using different approaches to apply PIM to their applications. Some of the possible application integration efforts include adopting voice over IP, connecting enterprise service buses running messaging technology, and integrating voice with post-merge information systems. The overarching objective is to minimize steps from end user. What are some of the features using this new chat and voice system? The idea behind this program is to help you find the perfect workspace. It's divided into two parts: the social area that has enough space to meet with colleagues and brainstorm ideas but doesn't take up too much space, and then an area for collaborative work. The workspace also comes with noise-canceling headphones so you don't have to wait for others when you're trying to share an important story in a meeting. Photo courtesy of Intel. Powerful processor, laptop perks. No longer will you be outgunned when it comes to graphics. The NUC6i7K has a beautiful 17.3-inch display that supports 4K video playback. What's impressive is how crisp and clear the display is on high-definition videos, and your work will have an impact with these visuals thanks to the i7-8809G processor, perfect for hardcore editing programs like Adobe Premiere Pro.